Is your phone running slow or lagging at all the time? You're not alone, but the good news is there are some simple ways to speed up without need advanced tech skills. First, clear your app cache regularly because stored temporary data can slow things down. Next, uninstall apps you don't use. They consume RAM and storage even in the background. Disabling or reducing screen animations through developer options can also make your phone feel faster immediately. Switching to light versions of heavy apps like Facebook and Messenger, as well as Instagram, helps save resources and freeing up your storage by deleting junk files or moving media to the cloud and give your phone breathing room. Restart your phone weekly to refresh memory and close background tasks. Speaking of background tasks, disable background activities for apps that don't need to run it all the time. Avoid using live wallpapers since they use app RAM, and always keep your phone software updated to benefit from performance improvements. If your phone is still lagging after all this, a factory reset might be the last option. But always remember to back up your data. Try these tips and you'll notice the big difference in how your phone performs. Thanks for watching, and I do love to hear about your own tips in the comments below. And if you have any issues with your phone, just be free to ask me and I make a video for you. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Boom.